thunderstorm warning for Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, northern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lena to 7 miles southeast of Monroe to near Evansville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage in Lafayette County. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Loves Park, Machete Park, Roscoe,
it's gonna hit me. Here we go.
Rockton, Poplar Grove, Rockford Airport, Candlewick Lake, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Pecatonica, Durand, Timberlane, Seward, Caledonia, Shilland, Lake Somerset, and Harrison, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 17. This includes Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford Rivets Baseball, Rockford Speedway, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe